can touch or it can start going down from here. Or if everything goes very good, we can actually break this support zone and go boom. You can see its all-time high is $0.7, so that's huge, almost $1. It almost touched $1, where everyone's bought down. So dumping to 0.01, then more dumps and 0.05. Now it's final back at least 0.1. That's a good time for that coin. I don't really invest in these projects. Meme coins allow to invest in the solid project. Then there is one like BUSD or USDT, which is similar to the USDT. Basically, this is a pair by Binance itself. Binance is also a very big place for cryptos trading, and recently they got an NFT platform too. So they made this beauty, which is equal to the USDT and a very stable coin. As you can see, if we go to check its value 1.00002, which is actually $1, so it actually worked like $1. That people can use it here. See, always try to keep this $1. Sometimes slightly go slightly up and down, but most of the time I always try to keep this $1. That may be a mistake. As you can see all the time, it's so still. Many people buy beauty. Use this pair because you get a little bit tax fee off by this. There is another chic coin. Which is around 0.0 bucks. And it changed 2.39%. So if I go and okay, gotta shoot